Over the last 30 years, I have spent tens of thousands of dollars, and that's with good insurance, just to save my teeth. I have done everything I could to save my teeth. I have had crowns put in. I have weak teeth. I'd actually knocked them out at the age of 8, my front teeth. So starting about 19, I just was having crowns put in. And then it just seemed like tooth after tooth needed a crown and something needed pulled. So then in the last probably 10 years, I started losing the crowns. They started coming out. They weren't staying in, and crowns that I had just had placed the year prior, they had to be pulled. And the last thing I wanted to do was to lose my own teeth, but it got to the point where I just made up my mind. I was not going to have dentures. There was no way. And I just had finally made up my mind that I really needed to have implants. So making the call was very difficult, but I was ready. I was definitely ready to have a nice smile again, and I just didn't want to be embarrassed of my smile anymore. I wanted a nice smile. I met with Dr. Halusic. He just explained everything, told me that it would look beautiful. I would have a wonderful smile again. I would be happy again.
We presented to Michele a solution that would give her a beautiful set of teeth, all in one day, one surgery, and we did that by placing multiple implants in the upper jaw and basically fitting her with a gorgeous set of fixed teeth.
I did not want to go without teeth. I just could not just imagine going without teeth in my mouth. So I left here with teeth that looked nice. The first time that I saw my temporaries in my mouth made me feel so much better. I smiled. I could eat basically anything that I wanted. This is the smile that I've always wanted. Without him, I wouldn't have this smile. And I wouldn't be proud of this smile. And I think that's his goal, is to make people, whenever they walk out the door, smile.